something very interesting in Krita what you can do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit my selection tool. Let me pull this out so I could see all my tools. There you go. So here are my tools, right? This right here is a freehand selection tool. So I'm going to pick this, and then I'm just going to use my hotkey and going to make this bigger. Let's see. Okay, so what's happening is that I realize now that the eyebrow here is too small. So what I'm going to do is going to hit my mirror button, which is the M button, and I can actually go ahead and switch this around so I can probably see this a little bit better. So watch this, guys. It's pretty wild. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to select this. See that? And that's my selection tool. Then I'm going to come over here and hit this button, and this is basically to move a selected area. So while I'm looking at this, I definitely see that her eyebrows go further out. Watch this. To me, that looks much better. Okay, so maybe we could raise it a little bit. There we go. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and unselect, which is here, select, deselect. Okay, so now we have that. So now what I need to do is I need to pick this little thing, looks like a Q-tip, and basically it blends everything together. So I'm just going to go here. Now we can zoom in a little bit, and let's just blend that as if it never happened. Of course I'm going to come back in, but watch this. This is some weird, wild stuff. I can make the paintbrush smaller. So basically you're able to do like massive reconstruction, which is really quite incredible. And then I'll go back in, but honestly, like, see, you know, how just that little bit of, and I'll go back to our mirror. So you see how that just creates much more of her look, which is really unbelievable. Anyway, so that's a little cool thing about Krita, which is a free digital software that I'm learning. So this is my first portrait of Gal Gadot. Pretty cool, huh?